from this to this, okay? People who want to build the glutes, you want to lift up your glutes, you want to tone your thighs. I want to give you 4 simple exercises you need to follow so that you can build your glutes, you tone your legs, you build the strength in your lower body. But always don't forget, make sure you like this video. Give a like, it's very simple. 2, comment down, what do you really want? What is your goal in fitness? You want to lose weight, you want to burn fats, you want to tone up your body, you want to build the muscles, you want to lift up your glutes, you want to build the nyash. I know most of you, that's what you're really interested in. But right now, exercise number 1 is very simple workout. You people normally even do every day. It's a squat exercise, normal squat. Like down, down. If you cannot squat like this, you are just a beginner, get a bench, sit and stand up. Sit and stand up. It is very, very simple to do that. Now, this is a squat. What you're gonna do is a squat. At least start with 20 squats in the morning, 20 squats in the evening. Very simple. Exercise number 2, you're going to do a kickback. Like, go down on your knees, okay? Then push your leg up. That's a donkey kick. Now, in this exercise, again, you are going to do 20 reps, one leg, again 20 reps, the other side. What I mean is push here, 1, 2, finish 20, change, come this side, do the same, push 20, okay? Because you have to balance your glutes. If you don't do that, you end up one is in, one is out. So what you're going to do, make sure you balance it, okay? That is exercise number 2. Listen, if you don't like this video, give a like right now, okay? Exercise number 3 is lunges, because these lunges, they help to tone your thighs, people with thigh fats. Like one leg down, then up. Here, again, you're going to make 20 reps. Do 20, like 1, 2, 3, until you finish 20. Change alternative leg. Use this side too. Do the same. 1, 2. If you cannot maintain balance, at least get somewhere to hold on, and then you do it. You can hold on the wall point. Exercise number 4 is a glute bridge. Glute bridge. You have to go down. Here. Sleep. Put your back straight on the ground. These arms here.